You'd never guess what's inside this shipping container. It's actually a house. Can you believe it? This is a custom container home we built for a client in Cameroon. Let's take a look. Our architects completed the entire structural framework in just a few days. Next, we installed the wall panels for the first floor and prepared to build the second level. Here's a sneak peek of the finished design. This is the internal layout design. The ground floor serves as an office space, while the upper level provides living quarters. What do you think of this layout? If you are interested, please feel free to contact me.